If you want to add a thumbnail to your YouTube shorts, this is how you do it. Once you have finalized your video, make sure you add the thumbnail that you have created onto your timeline. You can use it, you can add it to the last as a last frame, or you can just overlay it. What I basically do is I add it as my last frame and as my first frame. I'm going to do an export. I'll do an export. Once this is done, make sure you get this onto your mobile device. So once you have downloaded the file onto your iPhone or Android device, what you need to do is open the YouTube app and click or press the plus sign, select the video, add the video, select and click on done or press done, press the check sign, click next or press next. And once you get over here, you have to press the pencil sign. If you don't see the pencil sign, that means you have the older version of the YouTube app. What you need to do is download the latest version, and then you can see the pencil sign. Press the pencil sign to select the frame that you want. And since we made the thumbnail as the first frame, it's already selected. If you want a different frame or a different picture, you can just drag and select the frame that you want. I'll just stick with the first one. Press done and upload your shorts and wait for a while till it is processed. It has processed the file. Go ahead and have a look at this. Press this one and there you go. If I drag all the way till the end and leave it, so our last frame will also be the same thumbnail. Great, I hope this was useful, and just try it and see if it works.